In this video, we'll show you how to add a pricing table in WordPress using the Responsive Block Editor Addons. First, let me show you what a pricing table block looks like. The pricing table block allows you to showcase responsive pricing tables with a comparison of features and your various membership options. It allows adding item names, images, descriptions, and prices. Before getting started, you need to make sure that you have the responsive Gutenberg blocks library plugin installed on your WordPress website. Check out the link in the description below to learn how to install it. So, let's get started. Open a page or a post, and click on Edit, and it will take you to the screen. Make sure that you're using the Gutenberg editor. Now, click on the plus icon on the left-hand side and look for the RBEA pricing table block. To find it quicker, you can also type RBEA pricing table in the search bar on top to locate the block. Now, click and drag the block to the content area. This is how it will look by default. Let's see how to customize this pricing table block. Under Edit RBEA pricing table, you will see 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Under Content, in the General tab, you can set the number of tables to display, and set the space between the blocks using the gutter setting. Now you can choose alignment for content in the block. You can also choose to hide or display the image, title, price prefix, price, price suffix, subprice, features of the block, and the button in the block. Under the Image Settings tab, you can select the image shape and size, and set the image width. Under the Button Settings tab, you can choose to open the link in a new tab. Now you can set the horizontal and vertical padding for the button. You can also choose border styles such as border radius, border width, and border color for the button under this section. You can also choose normal and hover color settings for the text color and background color or gradient for the button. Now, let's have a look at the style settings. Under the Column Background tab, you can choose a background type for the tables. Under the Typography tab, options for font family, font size, font weight, and line height are available for the title, price, subprice, features, and CTA. Under the Border tab, you can choose a border style, and set the border width and border radius. Then, you can set the border color and also give a box shadow to the block. Under the Spacing tab, you can find options to customize the block spacing, column spacing, and bottom margins for the title, price, subprice, button, and features. Under the Color Settings tab, color options are available for the text, title, price prefix, price, price suffix, subprice, and features. Now, let's move on to the Advanced tab. In the Advanced tab, you can set additional CSS classes. Once you're done with the settings, click on Update. And there you go. You have a customized RBEA pricing table on your WordPress website. For more such tutorials about responsive Gutenberg blocks library and WordPress, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.